The sugar-free dark chocolate nut fudge is a great, healthy dessert. It's super quick and easy to make that you'll be making a lot of batches in no time. In a small saucepan, add the unsalted butter and melt over low heat. Add in the heavy cream and cream cheese, then whisk until it forms a smooth consistency. Add the Splenda and whisk constantly until it starts to bubble. Add in the dark cocoa powder and vanilla extract. Reduce the heat and whisk to combine. Add the macadamia nuts, blend them well, then pour the mixture into a 1-inch deep pan lined with a baking sheet. Spread evenly. Refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours to set before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.